As the world started to limp back to normalcy after getting hit by a COVID pandemic around 2 years back, it is feared that the COVID cases and deaths are happening again in several countries across the world. In the last few days, many countries, including Russia, the United Kingdom, China, Singapore, Ukraine, and other countries of the Eastern Europe, have witnessed a significant rise in coronavirus cases. According to the World Health Organization, the highest number of new COVID cases were reported from UK and Russia. It was also noted that over 50,000 COVID cases has been recorded in UK for the first time since July 17. It is reported that Delta has been the dominant variant in the UK. The question is, what exactly are these variants and how dangerous are these? The World Health Organization has identified four COVID variants and they call it variants of concern VOC. The Delta variant is believed to be the most transmissible yet, according to the expert and health officials. The variant of concern is a virus variant which have one or more of these four characteristics. Number 1, there's evidence that it has increased transmissibility. And number 2, it causes more severe disease, that is, increased risk of hospitalization or death. Number 3, there is a significant reduction in neutralization by antibodies generated during previous infection or vaccination. And that means the vaccines or the treatments are less effective in these variants. And number 4, the diagnostic detection failure means it is possible that these variants can be missed by conventional diagnostic tools. Evidence shows that the present COVID vaccines do not protect you from getting infected from these new variants of concern of COVID-19 virus. But COVID-19 vaccines are highly effective at preventing severe illness from these variants, especially the Delta variant. To sum it up, the newer variants of COVID-19 are likely to infect people who are already vaccinated, but the vaccinated people are less likely to develop severe diseases and complications like mortality. So the best protection from these kind of variants are the use of the mask and social distancing. Thank you.